I was stuck here. It's so narrow.
可以冒犯。I started today's ride right from my home, heading towards to the industrial area of Puyang Steel, also known as 10-mile Steel City. As I'm passing through, you can see a lot of heavy trucks carrying raw materials and finished steel products. This whole area is one of the main economic engines of Xiangdang, spawning local factories and thousands of workers. Many families here rely on these jobs, from steel production to logistics and transportation. Riding through this zone rarely shows how important the industry is to everyday life in this region. Today is my first long ride with a fully loaded bag, and I can already feel the difference. Every extra kilograms makes the hill steeper and the turn slower, but at the same time, it's rewarding. I've learned how to balance my bag, pack efficiently, and pace myself ever longer distances. It's not just about riding, it's about patience, planning, and push your limit. Looking at the road ahead, I realize every pedal brings a small victory, and every challenge teaches something new. It's just the beginning of many advantages to come. It's autumn now, and after harvesting corn, farmers will dry the corn kernels by the roadside. Now I'm passing through Fengfeng mining area, a region known for its coal and mineral resources. The landscape is dotted with mining facilities, heavy trucks, and industrial activity.
Factory region. So many big trucks.
This area plays an important role in the local economy and provides employment for many workers.
I was stuck here. It's so narrow. After passing this big long slope, we will reach there, and we'll spend one night camping there. And tomorrow early morning, we will climb the mountain and see the scenic area. Here we are, the toy center. See the entrance of the main door.
因为自行车不太好上楼呀，其实。
你网上订那个多少钱呀
80多。
？80，一般都是楼上的，楼上是稍便宜点。
你给我安排到1楼就行，就是如果1楼有空房的话。
Check my hotel. I just booked a hotel nearby the Xiangdang Mountain scenic area because I found there is no suitable campsite nearby that area, so I just booked this hotel and spend one more night. So tomorrow early morning I will go to see the grottoes and murals of this scenic area. So let's go grab some food for it.
This one, 麻辣烫。We choose some meat, some vegetables.
Let's go back to the hotel. Already inside the scenic area.
So behind me there is a group of the students coming. They're in line to check the ticket.
爬山的时候要注意力集中，千万不要在山道上追逐打闹，互相推搡。
And these grottoes and murals are built on the mountaintop, with 1,000 steps leading to them.
I didn't see any tourists except that big group of the students just behind me. Let's keep on going. So we're almost close, like 5 or 6 minutes, and there are 2 routines. This one is pretty steep, and there's another one. That one is more slow. As you can see, this jaw is transporting some stones to another place. Here we are.无意冒犯。无意冒犯。I even have a stairs. 无意冒犯。I just back from the cave. So people worship different of the gods in hopes of receiving the blessings of their wealth, their health. There's a brief map of this Xiangdangshan Grottoes. So now we are in this main part. There are 3 parts. So the routine should be start from here, and this grottoes was built during the Eastern Wei dynasty, like 1,500 years history till now. Even till now, some part is under construction and maintenance. After Eastern Wei dynasty, they were repaired and expanded. Yeah. And this cave called Shijia Cave was built in Northern Qi dynasty. It's relatively old. Look at these gravels.
The cultural relics of Xiangdang Mountain have suffered damage and loss not only in recent times, but rapidly throughout many dynasties in history. Over the centuries, valuable items such as Buddha heads, stone carvings, and murals were stolen, removed, or destroyed due to war, chaos, and uncontrolled excavation. These repeated losses have left the site incomplete, but they also remind us of the importance of protecting cultural heritage. The Great Buddha Cave is the centerpiece of Xiangdangshan Mountain. Inside it will find a massive seated Buddha carved directly into the cliff, surrounded by elegant bodhisattvas and fine detailed reliefs. Even after centuries of damage, the grandeur and craftsmanship of these caves still remains breathtaking. Today, what remains still carries deep historical value, showing the artistic and the religious traditions once flourishing here.